My journey for cancer research actually began with the fascinating about protein chemistry and molecular biology during my PhD, where I studied bacteriophage proteins that are essential for bacterial infections. During my postdoc work, I focuses on identifying natural killer cells receptor. Uh, During that time, I unexpectedly discovered a new gene, which is cell cycle regulator. When it is deregulated, it has impact on genomic stability, so which we know is a critical factors for cancer development. Since then, this actually sparks my passions for cancer research. So currently, my lab is interested in understanding the molecular and cellular mechanism that drives cancer development and therapy resistance. We are particularly interested in how the genomic stability as well as chromatin dynamic can contribute to cancer development and therapy resistance. We are also interested in exploring tumor metabolism and tumor microenvironment and trying to find a new therapeutic target. And hopefully, we actually can contribute to innovative interventions, which hope in one day can um, improve the treatment outcome for patients. Actually, over the past 20 years, our approach to cancer has transformed significantly due to advances in several key areas. First of all, genomics has reshaped our understanding. By sequencing cancer genome, we now classify cancers with molecular subtypes rather than just based on where it is located. This actually enables precision medicine where the therapy can target specific genetic mutations. We have also expanding our understanding for the tumor microenvironment. Is includes like stroma cells, immune cells, blood vessels. All this contribute to tumor growth and help the cancer to evade the treatment. So new therapy now they target to those tumor microenvironment to disrupt the networks and crosstalks. Immunotherapy has been another breakthrough using the immune system to attack cancer cells. So with the treatment like checkpoint inhibitors, CAR T cell therapy, we have seen significant results in both blood cancers as well as solid tumors. Lastly, I think new diagnostic like liquid biopsy has also allowed us to detect and monitor cancers in blood earlier, enable us timely and tailored treatment adjustment. All these advances actually will improve the survival and quality life of patients. Moving forward, I believe combinations treatment as well as multi-omics approaches will further personalize treatment and tackle those cancer complexity in new ways. Definitely, this has been significant progress in terms of both opportunities as well as challenges for women in science. I would say in the past 5 to 10 years, university and school of medicine have put a lot of efforts in promoting gender equality, race awareness, as well as create the pathway for women to thrive in their scientific careers. I think key advances include like advocacy for gender equality, like mentorship initiatives, and some good programs that support women researchers. Policies that address work-life balance, including like parental leave, more flexible working hour arrangement, definitely make it easier for women to manage their career and their personal life but much better way. So despite those positive changes, I think the challenges remains. like gender bias or perhaps salary gap and underrepresentations in leadership position remains the challenge that many women may face in one day. However, there's a strong and ongoing commitment to break down these barriers and enhance the enhance the diversity and also create a more inclusive environment in the scientific community in NUS. Okay, translating cancer research discovery into the treatment is a complex process. So many academic researchers may face many barriers along the way. First of all, I think discovery show promise in the lab often do not perform well in a real world patient setting. This is likely due to the difference between the experimental models, like we use cell line, we use animal models, and also the complexity of the human bodies. Limited funding is another hurdle. Developing a new treatment is expensive, often requiring millions of dollars over many years. And academic funding often tend to support early phase research over 1 to 3 years. So a lot of researchers have to partner with industry partner, and this may limit the possible treatment options they pursue due to profitability rather than the scientific potential. And also, I think it's challenging for the academic researchers to perhaps get sufficient clinical samples and data which they can further validate and refine their discovery. To overcome these barriers, academic researchers work towards a collaborative approach, combining their scientific insight with the resources and expertise from industry partners, regulatory bodies, and also clinical institutions. I think such a multidisciplinary approach will definitely help to bridge the gap between the discovery to delivery, and hope we can bring in the effective treatment for patients faster. I think cancer metastasis as well as cancer heterogeneity are the two critical questions we still need to put a lot of effort. We all know a lot of time primary tumors doesn't kill the patients, but metastasis does. So it is a complicated process. Knowing how the cancer actually leave the primary tumor, survive in the bloodstream, and escape from immune systems and settle in the new organs are very important. So understanding this process and also find a way to detect this early event will definitely help all of us prevent the cancer metastasis or spread. So this is important. Another critical questions we have to address is the cancer heterogeneity. Even within a single tumor, there has been diverse cell populations. So, making it's very challenging to target all the cancer cells within one treatment. So some cells may resist to the treatment and leading to relapse. So understand how the tumor evolve, and so will help us to design or develop adaptive treatment that responds to these changes, which I think is very important questions we have to address.